All right, Rob Fraser here's video. Wanted to talk about my new favorite program, Taz V7. And I've done a few videos about this program before, and I'm going to start doing mucho videos about this program, or should I say más videos, whatever. Let me know if you tú hablas español. But anyways, Taz V7, it's the program I'm hanging my hat on. I've been going back and forth with the creator, the owner of this program. We talk a lot. And the reason why we talk a lot is because, we've both been involved in crypto scams. We both lost money. We both lost connections. Basically, when we refer somebody into a program and then that program crashes out, a lot of times we lose connections. We've both just been beat up in this online affiliate marketing space. We both lost a lot of money in crypto, which is why I decided to partner with his program, because he has that long-term vision. He's a strong leader. He's not one of these guys who's going to change the comp plan every so often, not going to sell the company, not going to make the website go away and then create a new website in a month that's like the same as the first one. Everything he's doing is to make this existing program better. So anyways, wanted to just drop a quick little video. Found out it's a Bitcoin paying program, or Bitcoin and Tron. It's an instant pay program, but it also, you can join it from Cash App, and that's the whole purpose of this video. You can join Taz with Bitcoin, Tron, or Cash App. Actually, I think it's just Bitcoin, but the payouts, if someone joins at a certain level, you get instant Tron. If someone joins at a higher level, you get instant payments in Bitcoin. If you also are a little iffy about Bitcoin, you don't know how to buy it or whatever, that's the whole purpose of this video here. There is a way you can join it through Cash App. And the guy goes on to explain how you can buy Bitcoin with Cash App, how to send it, the whole deal. So that just opens it up for probably mainly the United States audience. But there's many different levels. Get in where you fit in. You can start at the $100 level and go all the way on up. For folks joining me at the $100 level, you're going to get access to my sales, my own sales funnels created through Lead Sleep, my share codes, my videos, my bridge videos, different things that I find that work, and also my crypto traffic sources, because again, it is mainly a crypto paying program. And so what I do is have people take their links and promote them on crypto traffic sources, and then include this video here. So anyways, wrapping this video up. If you want more information about this program, it will be in the description of this video. I have this program bundled into my crypto retirement plan, so make sure you check it out. The links will be in the description of this video. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you in the next one.